Hello students, let us start with Unit 6, Section 1, that is Apologize. It is written by Sigran Srivastav. Apologize means to say sorry. Now in this lesson, before starting the lesson, see here it is written that not understanding a language can cause misunderstanding and lead to a lot of pain. So, if we don't understand the language, then it can cause misunderstanding and it will lead to a lot of pain. Now, in this lesson, a Iranian boy is there. Okay, one Iranian boy is there and two other boys and one girl is there. So this lesson is about these children. So let us start the lesson. They closed in on him, two boys and one girl, silently, menacingly slow. Menacingly slow means deliberately slow so as to frighten, with their hands deep inside the pockets of their jeans. So, two boys and one girl came to that Iranian boy and they, with their hands deep inside the pocket of their jeans, they came in front of him to frighten him. The girl spoke first. It was him. She pointed an accusing finger at that boy. He kicked me purposely, I am sure. He made me spill my lunch all over the place and ran away, leaving me to face the music. Face the music means cope with the problems. So this girl is saying that the Iranian boy have kicked me purposely and he made to spill my lunch all over the place and he left her to cope up with the problems. The boy stared at her, his face a mask of fear and concentration. So the Iranian boy stared at her, and mask of fear and concentration means an expression of fear and focused attention. He hadn't learned much Dutch in the 6 months of his stay in Amsterdam. Despite the special language classes for foreign students in the afternoons. Now this boy, Iranian boy, is staying here from 6 months. But he have not learned the Dutch language properly. Despite there was a special language classes for foreign students in the afternoon. Then too, he have not learned the Dutch language properly and he doesn't understand. Now the boys, two boys and the girl who came there, they started shouting at him. They started scolding and told him to say sorry, means to say apologize. Now what happened? Now the boy doesn't understand the language, the Dutch language, and they said to him to apologize. He is not able to understand what these two boys and that girl is saying. And when they said to apologize, he is standing just silently. He is just staring at them, looking at them with fear. He is so much frightened, but he is not able to understand what they are saying. So the two boy and the girl is shouting, scolding him to apologize, but he is not able to understand. So they are asking, you are so much proud, you are having so much proud that you cannot apologize. And they started beating him with his feet on his chin, on his face, and the boy started so much scolding and frightening and fighting with that Iranian boy, but he just stand quietly, silently. He is not able to understand what they want to do. So he is just standing there silently, and again these children are saying to him to apologize, but he is not replying anything. His face have become so much frightened and he is able to cry, but he is not crying also, not saying also anything. Then they fell on him pell-mell, punching him with knotted fists. Blows rained down on him, left, right, left. So now the boys are pell-mell means what? In a disorderly manner. So they started punching him very badly, left and right, left. But this boy didn't speak anything. He is not able to say anything because he is not able to understand the meaning of apologize. Hold it, stop it, a voice crackled like a whip. Strong hands grabbed the children by the collars and pulled them away. So suddenly a voice came, and that was a tall boy. As you can see in the picture, a tall boy is there. And the boy who is in red shirt is a Iranian boy. So a tall boy came and told them that stop it. What you all are doing? And this tall boy's name is Jan van der Meer, and he is the captain of school football team. And he's asking, why have you picked on him? All of you. This is not the way to settle an argument. He looked sharply at the leader. Why were you thrashing him? So the tall boy is asking, why you all are fighting? Why you all are doing such things to this boy? What happened? So he said, the girl and the two boys said that this boy is not ready to apologize. He have left me in trouble. He have kicked me and spell my, and because of him my lunch were spilled all over. So we have told him to apologize, but this Iranian boy is not apologizing. So that time this tall boy turned to the Iranian boy, looking at him with dark serious eyes. Come on boy, he said kindly. So very kindly he asked him to apologize. The boy didn't move. He stood there, thin and tense, his brows knitted, his lips queered. Come on, urged Jan van der Meer. So this tall boy told the Iranian boy to apologize. Be a sport, apologize to these wildcats. Wildcats means quick-tempered people. The dark eyes of the Iranian boy filled with misery. He swallowed hard. After the tall boy said, then too he is not apologizing. The Iranian boy is not apologizing, only saying no, but he is not saying anything else. Why not? For God's sake, why not? Because the boy's voice rose, because I not know apologize. I no understand apologize. So now at the last he said that I don't know the meaning of apologize. I speak little Dutch. So he's telling that I know only little Dutch language. I don't know the meaning of apologize. Very little Dutch language I know. So please forgive me. So the Iranian boy said that I don't know the meaning of apologize. So please forgive me. I know only very little language of Dutch. Okay. So this was the lesson by Sigrun Srivastav. Now he have made understand that if you don't know a language, it can cause misunderstanding, and that misunderstanding can cause a lot of pain, isn't it? Because that Iranian boy doesn't know the language, because of that so much of pain, a lot of pain he had, isn't it? Yes. So this was the lesson. Now let us see the MCQ of this lesson. First one. The two boys and the girl advanced menacingly because they were, answer is A, angry with the boy. Second, the boy looked at them with fear and concentration because he, answer is C, was unable to understand why they were threatening him. Next, third one. The children became more and more aggressive as the boy continued to, answer is D, stand quietly and not do what the children ask him to do. And the last fourth one, Jan van Diemer interfered in boys' fight because he felt, answer is A, he felt it was wrong for children to beat each other. So I hope you have understood the lesson. Okay.